Today we will learn how to create transition effects in text in 3 different ways. First of all, type the text. I have already typed it here. Now go to the Effects panel and search for Text Animator Transition. Drag and drop and go to the Effect Controls panel. Scroll down. Now set the value of horizontal spacing, horizontal zoom, and vertical zoom to 0. Enable Uniform Scale. Now set the value of horizontal zoom and vertical zoom to 400. And that's it. The first transition is ready. Now apply the same transition on the text in the second effect. Go to the Effect Controls panel and set the value of ease out to 100. Now enable Uniform Zoom. Then set the value of horizontal and vertical zoom to -400. And set the value of anchor Y to -100. And this is done. The second effect is ready. Now in the third effect, apply the Text Animator Transition once again on the text. Go to the Effect Controls panel and set the Fade value to 100. Set the Distribution value to 50. Set the Variation value to 100. Set the horizontal and vertical spacing to 0, and also set the horizontal and vertical zoom to 0. Similarly, the third effect is also ready. That's it for today. If you like the video, then subscribe to the channel. GraphiX Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos. Also, GraphiX Studio is available on WhatsApp public channel. Follow to the official channel by searching in Find Channels or click the link given in the description.